Welcome to Health and Yum. My name is Alina and today we are baking delicious banana walnut muffins that are not only a treat for the taste buds but also a wholesome, nourishing delight for the brain. I make these muffins all the time for my family and they always vanish within 24 hours. Sometimes I get a little creative and swap out the bananas for applesauce or mashed sweet potatoes, and the result is still pure yumminess every single time. But enough chatter, let's get this baking party started. Preheat the oven to a toasty 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next up, let's mash the bananas and measure 1.5 cups. You'll need 2 or 3 bananas depending on their size. Bananas are one of the brain's favorite snacks. They've got vitamin C, the mood manager that says "Be happy brain," and B6, which plays an important role in brain function. Now we give 2 eggs a good whisk. Eggs are like little powerhouses, loaded with amino acids that help the brain make messengers called neurotransmitters. These little guys play a role in smooth communication, mood control, memory, and overall brain function. Plus, they keep the energy level steady throughout the day so the brain never runs out of power. Time to mix up the dry ingredients in a medium-sized bowl. We need 2 cups of gluten-free flour, 2/3 of a cup of coconut sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm curious, how often do you make muffins? I usually bake a batch every week because my family devours them very quickly. Alright, back to business. In another medium-sized bowl, let's mix up the wet ingredients. The mashed bananas, the eggs, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now slowly pour this luscious mix over the dry ingredients. The muffins will turn out mildly sweet. If you'd like more sweetness, you can now add 2 more tablespoons of coconut sugar. And here's where the magic happens. Add 1/2 cup of walnut pieces. Pour this beautiful batter into a greased muffin pan. Depending on how much you scoop into each cup, this recipe can yield anywhere from 16 to 18 muffins. Did you know that walnuts are the brain's defenders? They are armed with antioxidants that protect brain cells from trouble-making free radicals, which in turn keeps inflammation in check, maintains healthy blood vessels, and gives a natural boost in brain performance. And don't forget to crown each muffin with your favorite chocolate chips. I'm all about the combo of semi-sweet and milk chocolate chips. And I'm quite specific, it's exactly 5 for each muffin. Almost every time. Pop these little delights into the oven and let them bake for roughly 30 minutes. Once the muffins are out of the oven, give them a little time to cool down and then dive right in. My family and I can't resist these banana walnut muffins. They are sweet, moist, and downright addictive. If you enjoyed this recipe, you're in for a treat because the next one is all about no-bake, high-protein energy bites. They are easy to take on the go, loaded with wholesome ingredients, and of course, oh so tasty. Stay tuned and I'll catch you in the next video.